So in last video we view all the hardware changes which I have done as a part of cooling, and in this video I would explain what I have done as a part of software to enhance my cooling. So the main two tools I have been using to control my CPU and GPU cooling are these two. So this is MSI Afterburner. And this is a tool known as Argus monitor. So as a part of MSI Afterburner, what I have done is I have not overclocked or anything, as this GPU is more than enough for my gaming purposes, which I have been using it for 1080p 60 fps. What I use is a normal Dell Office monitor. So for this I am leaving it stock. I have not underclocked anything, but while underclocking this GPU I have seen one issue. So sorry, not underclock but undervolt. So while undervolting this GPU I have seen one issue where the clock would max to 1950 and the memory clock would also max to 7700 MHz and it will stay there. So that is really bad. I don't know why that occurs, but that issue I have identified, and after a lot of troubleshooting then only I found it was the undervolting. So due to that I was not able to undervolt this GPU. Other than that, what I have done is I have set an custom fan curve. So by default the GPU never reaches 100% on 70% of 70 degree of temperature, but now when my GPU reaches 70 degree the fan will run at 100%, and at 68 the fan will reach 90%. So like that I have set a fan curve, custom fan curve. So this helps with cooling really well. And also I would have shown in the last video that I have fans at the bottom. So these fans, like, they push air into the GPU. So two fans for the two GPU fans, and it will push air like this. So to control this fan, but not based on GPU but on CPU, this is the tool I'm using, Argus monitor. So here I had set this fan header. I have set it to auxiliary fan 1. So you can see here sys fan 1, so that is aux 0, and below there is another header there, that is auxiliary fan 0 to auxiliary fan 1, but I'm able to see it has been reset. So I don't know why it got reset, so I will show you like how we can set it. So from here, so here we also have GPU monitoring. So from here you can go to mainboard and auxiliary fan 1. So manual control, software control, and the curve we need to select temperature, and here it's from GPU 1, and then we can set the curve here. So here by default it reaches 100% at 70 degrees Celsius. So this is a little bit aggressive, and yeah, I would recommend having this curve itself. You don't need to edit it. So this is good. So the curve has been set. So you can set it to an profile, fan profile. So I'll set it to profile 1 and save profile. So this is what happens now. So now when this fan is not anymore controlled based on the CPU, so you can see the aux fan 0, this is controlled based on the CPU, and this is controlled based on GPU. So you can see the difference in their speeds. So the CPU fan, this is your CPU fan header, which I have connected my these two bottom two fans, so these two, and the pump and VRM cooler. So these all fans are connected to the CPU header, which is right up there, and the top two fans, these two fans, these are connected as a part of the aux 1. So for this I have an powered fan hub backside. So that fan hub connects these three fans, this one and the top two. These bottom two fans are dedicatedly connected to an header right somewhere around here. There is a header, so there I have connected it. So this is how I controlled my bottom case fans based on the GPU temperature, and other all fans are based on the CPU. And I have optimized these two fans based on what happens. So this is a larger fan, this is a smaller fan, I have optimized them so that this doesn't happen to be a restriction for this fan. So this will be running slowly, but this will be running a bit more faster. So that's how it matches, and this fan goes up to 2000 rpm, but this is only like 1400 rpm. So if I match their percentages, it will be pretty much same. So that's what I have done over here, and I think that's all. So in the next video I will explain how the cooling works with a load which I'm running. Okay, thank you.